What's up guys, it's the Brick Public back here again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your LEGO 501st Clone Troopers. And the clones I'm going to be using are obviously the 501st Battle Pack Clone Troopers. And I'm going to start with the Jet Trooper. And yeah, let's get to it. So these are all the pieces you're going to need. First you want to separate the figure and remove the jetpack and just get rid of the jetpack because you don't need it. You want a thicky, bricky, just waist cape. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of all the stuff that I use, or all the websites that I use to get this stuff. So there's the waist cape. Here you can put the guy back on. Actually, you're gonna want to get rid of this torso. This torso is not necessary. You're gonna want a normal 501st torso with blue arms. That's the torso you're gonna want for this. So just add that. Leave the head and the helmet separated, like leave them separated from the body. Take this clear little back plate thing, attach it. Take two of these little clips and attach it. Add two little white lightsabers on the back. Flip it back around. Add the head. And then add a visor. I'm picking gray for this one only because of the type of trooper I'm making it. You'll find out in a second. Now the gun for him, you got this little blaster here. Add a black lightsaber hilt right here, and then add a Technic clip thing right here. And there you go. And if you're wondering who this guy is, I'm gonna add the weapon right here. This guy is a flamethrower trooper. This is not a canon clone, but I thought, hey, fire's fun. Don't play with fire, but fire's fun, so I'll just make this guy. So yeah, let's get on with the next figure. So these are the pieces you're gonna need for this figure. So what you want to do is take off the legs and the helmet and the head, and you just want to keep the legs on the head, and you can get rid of these two pieces. So this is a Jonak Toys waist cape with a blue trim. So link in the description. Add this onto the figure. Jet Trooper torso with blue arms. A brown little satchel backpack thing. Move the arm up. Add it right like that. Add the head. And then add the Clone Army Customs Sergeant Boomer helmet. And there you go. You got Sergeant Boomer. He's not a canon clone that I know of, but he is a clone in that one Clone Wars video game. So yeah, there you go. So there you go. Those are the two figures for today. I hope you enjoyed. If so, please like and subscribe because it helps me out a lot. And yeah, comment down below what I should do next. Any suggestions on what Legion or clone types. So yeah. Have a nice day, guys.